Software Development Lifecycle. The Software Development Lifecycle (SDLC) is a systematic process that encompasses planning, designing, building, testing, deploying, and maintaining software applications or systems to meet specific requirements and quality standards, ensuring efficient and controlled software development. First, we have analysis. It starts with kickoff meeting with senior team members and stakeholders. They assess and define requirements for the software system or application to be developed. Software requirement specification document gets created based on this phase, taking sign-off from client as well to lock the requirement either for complete or for milestones. Feasibility checks and resources checks are also done beforehand. Secondly, we have design. The design phase in the software development lifecycle (SDLC) is where the architectural, technical, and functional design of the software is created based on the requirements gathered in the previous phases. This phase involves creating detailed specifications, defining system architecture, and outlining how the software components will work together to meet user needs. There are two types of designs. One is high level, which contains module-to-module linkage, descriptions, and roadmaps. Second, we have low-level design, which are more detailed documents with complete linkage of the buttons to the features and links. Complete details of the interface, error messages, and UI/UX designs. Next, we have implementation. It is where the actual coding or programming of the software takes place. Developers write, test, and integrate the software components, following the design specifications and coding standards established in the previous phases. This phase is focused on turning the design into a working software product. Dev team commit the code via testing it on their local machine, and then wait for the merge request to get approved. Once done, then they create a new build and deliver it to QA. Next is quality assurance. This is the stage where testing activities are conducted to ensure the software meets predefined quality standards. This includes various types of testing, such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing, to identify and address defects and ensure the software functions correctly and satisfies user requirements. After the testing, the build, sign-off happened or bug reporting done. After reporting the bugs, development team fixes the bugs and retesting. Regression testing starts on the new build. Next is deployment. When the software is deployed to a production or live environment after successful testing and approval. This phase involves installing the software, configuring it for production use, and making it available to end users or customers, marking the transition from development to operational use. In organizations, after getting the sign-off from the QA team, then project manager demo happens, and once it is done, then build gets ready for the production environment. After the demo PM sign-off, it will be deployed to the prod environment. Finally, we have support and maintenance. This involves ongoing activities to ensure the software's stability, security, and performance after it has been deployed to the production environment. This phase includes monitoring, bug fixes, updates, enhancements, and addressing user-reported issues to keep the software operational and aligned with changing requirements. After releasing the software, we provide the support to the customer. If there are any edge cases missed, or any issue on the production environment is appearing that didn't appear on the dev local ACA environment. So, once that failure is logged by customer, then we either release a patch for it, or we release a new build for the same based on the severity priority of the bug. That's all for this session. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.